Like, subscribe, and smash the bell for notifications.
No.
I'm not going to let you crush another can unless you say
Do it. No.
Hey, this is McCoy. Like and subscribe and smash the bell.
What you got? What are you doing?
Crushing cans. Die can.
The best products and best service from people who really care and love what they do. Mountain State Overland is proudly supported by OK 4-Wheel Drive.
I just say go at your own pace, have fun, and then there'll be a road that crosses us. Maybe you can take a break there if you want to. Get some shots of yourself and stuff like that.
Sounds good. See you in a second.
Well, they blew up the chicken man in Philly last night, and they blew up his house too. Down on the boardwalk, they're ready for a fight. Gonna see what them racket boys can do. And there's trouble busting in from out of state, and the DA can't get no relief. There's gonna be a rumble on the promenade, and the gambling commissioner's hanging on by the skin of his teeth. And everything dies, baby, that's a fact. And maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, and meet me tonight in Atlantic City. Job and I put my money away, but I got the kind of debt that no honest man can't pay. So I drew out all I had from that Central Trust, and I bought us 2 tickets down on that Coal City bus. Yeah, everything dies, baby, that's a fact. And maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on and fix your hair up pretty, and meet me tonight in Atlantic City. Our luck may have died.
West Virginia's gorgeous.
We haven't seen half of the good stuff is still to come.
Okay, it's going to be more gorgeous tomorrow then. No, it's great. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed the little ride out of camp in 4-wheel drive this morning. That was nice. And we just cruised for the rest of the day. It was good.
Dusty? Dusty?
It was so dusty. Like, I was covered. I was smacking stuff with the towels and...
Like an old woman?
Yeah, like an old lady. Oh yeah, for sure. 100%. Get out of here, Dusty! You don't belong here! No.
Tonight in Atlantic City. I've been looking for a job, but it's so hard to find.
I got steaks from Walmart.
Okay.
So they might be possum.
Yeah.
Could have been beaver.
Could have been a beaver.
Beaver, huh?
Yeah. So
Nice. I didn't know you could buy beaver at a store.
Well, you've
the
been
right,
to the right
store.
All right, what are you making?
I'm making ribeyes and mushrooms.
Smells like possum. Tastes like possum. Good.
Solid, pretty solid.
Good
job.
stuff.
Yeah.
I didn't tell you about the salad. I was holding back on you with the...
Oh yeah, so there's your mushroom.
Yep.
I don't remember which.
Colorful salad and your steak. Yeah. Good work, nice.
Thanks.
Solid job.
Pictures of like the burgers for the
Yeah, like
advertisements.
advertisements,
Okay.
Yep, you know.
What was your low of the weekend?
Being first in this interview. I was filling up gas at the gas station and airing down my tires and chatting with a local, and heard Jason say, all right, let's roll out. So I rolled out with the gas pump in my truck still. Ripped it right out.
Oh, you did?
I did, yeah. Daryl and I assembled it quite quickly. Went inside to go to the bathroom, wash the gas off my hands, and had a local high-five me and shake my hand and say, congratulations, that was amazing.
I think it was just the opportunity to go on this trip again, hang out with you and Jason and meet new people. And I really enjoyed all of the river crossings today. That was a lot of fun.
Just let me know if there's any big obstacles that you can get. Then you're good, it's all rock. Yeah. Fall really shallow.
The amount of I guess you'd call them unimproved roads that just go everywhere is fantastic. I don't think I've been anywhere in the country where you have a network of just these gravel roads, and some are very well maintained, and that just get between these little towns. It's awesome. I didn't imagine that West Virginia had that road system, and everywhere is beautiful.
So I invited my older brother to come down with us, and we don't get a lot of one-on-one time, so it was really cool just to hang out together. When we were little kids, just going back 45 years, we used to drive our little play trucks in the backyard in piles of dirt, and here we are down in West Virginia driving in big piles of dirt, and just having a really good time.
And the walkie-talkies make it a whole different experience. Just the chatter, the back and forth, the camaraderie. Just that it would be different if we were all just driving in our cars. It really feel like you're driving with everybody.
Yeah, we've got a pretty super group, as we always do on these trips. Had a really good time last night getting to know everybody. Lots of conversations. You can usually gauge the energy by how many different conversations are going on at the same time around the campfire, and there was a lot of them.
Find a little you road, you said you're gonna get. And you go tripping through the stars at night. Find $1 million girl and put the moves on right. You got me thinking. Oh, you got me thinking. Send me some paper that I can't spend. Don't think I can break, but I sure can bend. This picture's my friend, it's my family. You've been more than a maker, been a friend to me. You see, I want a girl.
Yeah, just trucks, mountains, rivers, creeks. I mean, how exciting could that be?
Well, he has customized the Victory Rack to be a shorty to work with his alu-cab. And we're just talking about a way to produce one that would use this mount right here and work kind of with what he was doing for a little short mount for with its max tracks and such. So
That's something.
we're just making people happy here.
Why'd they cross the road?
I have no idea. But why was the duck running?
It got so chapped too. And it was so neat seeing all these freighters go by and all
And they
the
like
boats.
go in and like raise the water. And
Yeah,
pretty
wild. We did.
All right, what do we got? We're having potluck, right? Everyone
right.
having potluck tonight?
We are.
What we got?
That's true.
Stuffed mushrooms. We have pork, sausage, onion, not carrots, that's in my mouth, garlic, and some spices, and a lovely mushroom cap with some
Nice.
parsley, breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese.
So tell me what we got. So grapes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So read this to me, please.
I can't read it.
Pum pum. So it's
a grape drink.
Grape drink. Very nice.
And they're actually Korean.
Aloe vera.
Oh wow, that's gonna be very nice.
We got some quesadillas, stolen recipe from the Friendly Toast in New Hampshire.
Oh, ooh, wow, look at that sunburst. Wow,
Oh, is it nice? Is it nice? Is it
it's
epic?
Perfect. Yeah.
It's a good shot.
So tell me what you got.
I got some hand pies, apple and cherry.
Nice, like fried pies or?
Yeah, I guess so. They're just pies, and I'm gonna heat them up somehow, and they're gonna be warm, tasty, delicious pies.
So what's non-planned?
So we stopped at the side of the road and we found some fresh ramps.
Very good. We're gonna capture it if he eats it. Awesome. So that's a good day there.
Yeah.
And we had to figure out what to do with these fresh ramps. So we chopped them up really fine and we made some mashed potatoes. And we're gonna put the ramps in the mashed potatoes and we're gonna have mashed potato ramps.
Hunting ramps for the first time, right?
Yeah, it's like truffles, I think. I'm the truffle pig in this situation.
Yeah.
And you told me where they were and I scurried up and found some ramps.
Yeah.
We got barbecue pork nachos with a jalapeno cheese sauce and barbecue sauce. What else we got on there?
Sour cream, salsa.
So can we take a peek or no?
Right now we're just melting a little cheese.
Oh, it's on top of it?
It's time though, time to put it together.
Yeah, no, go for it.
Me and my brother eat that seaweed all the time.
This seaweed? Very nice. Oh, look at that touch. Steam them a little bit?
Yeah, I think it helps cook it.
Oh, wow. What the? All right, everybody, time to go. It's
Sorry
go time.
for the delay.
Wow. Those mushrooms look good.
This looks amazing.
It is. Lots of color, good stuff.
Leaving the onions and garlic in there. Just
In case you don't eat pork, the pork's just in the middle.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh perfect, I don't eat. Yeah, don't eat potatoes then because they're all
Rolling into this campsite. For me, wanting to camp, that's kind of one of the destinations that I always wanted to do. Was camp on it, and I knew it was going to be great, but just seeing it firsthand, I think that was the high. Awesome. Yeah.
Listen everyone, I'm gonna need you to like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. I'm contractually obligated to say that.
There it is.